Hello, this is a video to explain a little bit more about my reading journal. Sorry, it comes in 3 different colours. Here we go. So we have the blush pink, sky blue and turquoise green. Yep, the covers are all pretty similar. That's the back. So yeah, all designed the same. It comes with a belly band like this, so it is beautifully giftable if you want to give it as a gift. It just comes like this, and then you just remove the belly band and open it up. I'll quickly show you the one that I used last year, because it is mostly full. I've mostly finished filling it in. So there we go. There's my book journal that I have filled in with my name and address. And then this is my rating scale. So I've coloured in each of the stars in the colour that I want to use throughout the journal. And this is exactly what that rating means to me. You can write exactly what your rating means to you. It could be slightly different to that. And then we have the reading goal. So I'll show you what the reading goal looks like before it's used. Here we go. So it has 60 books on it like this. And then I have filled in the amount of numbers that I wanted to get up to. So my aim was 52 books, so I filled in up to 52 and coloured each book that I read as I read it in the colour of the rating scale. So I can, at a quick glance, see how many 5 stars, 4 stars, 3 stars, etc. I have read. And then I ended up, I actually read 54, but I haven't quite finished filling it in. And then we have, I'll show you this one. Here we go. So we have this one here, and I've just coloured it in a little. And then we have books read and pages read. So books read, I have just filled in with a highlighter. And then pages read, so I wanted to do it every 50 because there are some months when I read, for example, 950. But on bigger months when I've read, say, 6 or 8 books, I've ended up doing 1,000, 2,000. So that's 2,000 pages read. So just, that's how I've done that. And then we've got a reading log. So there are 60 lines for books to go with the 60 reviews and the 60 books here. So it is a book for 60 reviews. And I've just filled them in and added the star rating next to them. And then you get into the book reviews. So I still intend to actually glue these in, but these are 4 by 6 centimeters, I believe. If you get a 4 by 6 inch photo, no, it's not 4 by 6. If you get a 4 by 6 inch photo, you can fit 4 book covers on it. So you can print them off. I used free prints, I think, and just made the files on Canva and just put 4 book covers on one photo and then got them printed. So yeah, you have title, author, genre, book length, start, finish, quote and thoughts. I will show you one not filled in. Here we go. So you have that there. Yep. So there are 60 book review pages. So I'll just go through. My favourite bit is these 3 icons here that I designed. I'm really pleased with that. So as I say, I haven't finished putting all my book covers in, but I will end up putting book covers up to the ones that I've read. So that was my last book. And then, so I have a few extra reviews, but I did not read those books in 2023. So then we have a page for each month: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And each one, I've just written the number of books that I read for each star rating and my favourite book, and then the total number of books read, and obviously coloured in some little illustrations. The last thing I wanted to mention is that there is this blank page that you can fill in with whatever tracker or challenge or anything you want. This was what I wanted, but I think I'm going to put my maybe my top 6 or my top 9 favorite books of the year on this page, and I will print off the little covers again for this and put them on here. So that is the book journal, reading journal by And Hope Designs. I hope this was helpful. Thanks.